Governor Kate Brown outlined what needs to happen before she'll reopen Oregon. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Brian Morton. If you're just joining us, we want to recap some of the information we detailed on our 4 o'clock newscast. You're seeing the key steps on your screen right now. They include increasing testing capabilities and having enough medical equipment. Joining us now live is Newswatch 12's Alicia Rubin, who's been working all afternoon to break down the governor's address today and explains what it means for those of us in Southern Oregon.
Brian, Oregon and our entire area is in a unique situation. Specifically, Southern Oregon is positioned right on the border of California. And as we all know, travel was a major impact in the spread of COVID-19. Today, Governor Brown addressed a statement that was made yesterday in reference to California and Washington working together collaboratively in order to open up the West Coast as a whole.
I also want to add that California Governor Newsom, Washington Governor Inslee, and I will be working to coordinate our efforts. This virus doesn't recognize state boundaries. We have to work together on a plan for reopening, and we'll be talking regularly and sharing best practices and processes with our neighbors to the north and to the south.
In a statement released yesterday, Governor Brown announced that Oregon, California, and Washington would make decisions surrounding the reopening of the West Coast based on science and, quote, not politics. She reiterated that statement today.
We will gather input from healthcare professionals, public health experts, and from industries substantially impacted by the stay-at-home order. We will take a look at specific sectors of the economy: restaurants and food service, retailers, childcare, and personal services like hair and nail salons.
Governor Brown said that her plan here in Oregon will involve meetings between business owners and healthcare professionals, and that's to determine how businesses can reopen while making sure that everyone is safe. Now, that could end up looking like more plastic partitions going up in workplaces, possibly more requirements surrounding wearing masks and/or gloves. These are all discussions that are happening now and will continue to happen, and changes that we could see past when things are quote-unquote back to normal. So we'll continue to track these developments as they progress in the coming weeks and months. Governor Brown concluded today by stating that while we have to be careful, we cannot stand still. You can see her entire address on our website, kdrv.com. Reporting live from home, Alicia Rubin, Newswatch 12.
The House Republican leaders say healthcare professionals and businesses across the state need to work together to reopen the economy. She released the statement following the governor's news conference today. She says businesses are ready to set up plans to operate within social distancing guidelines. Representative Drazen also said that it could be done the Oregon way. She says we cannot give authority to other states. This is in reference to the Western States Pact that was made by Washington, California, and Oregon. Governor Brown addressed it today, saying that each state will have its own plan based on its own needs. The plans will be coordinated with each state. Governor